Hello everyone. As I am becoming a new parent, I am having all the experience of what is the good value you can pass on to your child or to the near and dear ones. And I recollected this true story which has happened to me all the time, and that gives me an immense joy, and hopefully I can live to the trueness of it. So that is the best thing you can give to your child, which I thought that I am going to share today. Myself, we grew up in India, and we had one family growing, and there was another family in our neighborhood which were growing together. My mom was in a struggling environment. We had, we were not with lot of good things, and as we were growing, we had our struggling days. We have 3 siblings, and our neighbor had 4 siblings. And I used to wonder, how to go out in the life. We have so much struggle in the childhood, we are having limited income. There were issues about how to go into education. My mom was illiterate, my father had limited education, and same was true with my neighbor. And at that time, the time came when we were about to go into school. And in India, there is a concept of public school and private school. A public school, the education standard is very low, and it is taught in a different language, like regional languages. And in the private school, there is some cost. It's not very high cost, but there is some cost, and it is taught in English, which is the most common language for business and other things in India. And my mom chose to send us to English school, and though she was not having any education about it, a lot of people were arguing about it. They may not succeed, they may not go far, but she had a faith, and she put us in that school. And our neighbor, they were having a better standard than us, but they saw that going to school there will be an immediate effect on cost, as well as there would be an immediate effect on how they will be able to study, who will teach them, and all those concerns were there. So they sent them to a regional school, which was a public school, which was free and all. And we were always arguing with our mother, this is so tough, there is nobody to guide, and we are here struggling to study. And in the public school, there were some facilities given by government. They used to give some food, some snacks, they were having some holidays, which are all free, and they could enjoy very nicely. And here we were just hand to mouth, we were struggling for things, and it was not a pretty situation. But my mother always used to say that, have faith, this is the right direction to go. And I don't know, we were asked to argue, we were not happy, but we used to bite our tongues and follow that path. Later, as we were growing up, during when we were in India, when you are completing your SSC, which is like your 10th grade, at that time, before going to college, you have an option to leave the education or continue further. If you leave the education as a teen, you can earn high, you can immediately start working. You can get good money, which is a good money when you're growing up. You can have good clothes, you can have, you can go to movies, you can do a lot of things there, and have good food, or you can continue education. She was very dominant for us that we should complete our education and go through a career track. And again, there was a hell lot of things to do for that. And we had a neighbor. They said, it's not necessary that only education leads to success. So they said that they'll work, and they started working, and they had a good money at that time. They were having a very, very nice lifestyle at that time, according to those standards there. They used to wear new clothes, they used to get a good vacation on all those things. And we were again biting our tongue. We used to have a lot of arguments with our mother that why I think we should leave that, and follow this. This will make our immediate things better. She said that if you really want that, do it part-time, have some money so that you are not feeling bad about it, but don't leave it. It didn't occur as a very good option, but still we did that. And hopefully things started improving after that. We used to get some part-time work and used to get a good income out of it. Not very good, but there was some good money for making this grow. And immediately after that, the thing came about career, what to do after career. So there was again the direction, go with the field you want to go, rather than going into somewhere where you're getting immediate money. And it was again a tough fight, and we followed that, and like all our siblings, we started working towards what we wanted. And then after the things were done, what we saw is the amount of money which we got were way beyond what our immediate family neighbors were getting. It was like 10 times, and there was a lot of respect out of it, and lot of feeling of satisfaction on the way we chose our journey into our career. So, and after that was done, we were all together in a like they were immediate neighbors. So we always share things on like a Diwali day. They come as a family event, and we were talking. And I was asking mother, how did you know that, what to do, though we were not having any things at that time. Like I have learned these things about vision, mission in corporate, but how did you make out that this is the path we should choose and this will be doing? And and my friend's mother was also there. I asked her, how did you choose? And she said that she was so overwhelmed by the circumstances that to take this path, she felt that, at least we will be able to survive. And my mother was there. She felt that we are already surviving, but this is the path that is in the right direction that will lead to a good career. And there will be an immediate issues, but later on you will have a direction of a silver lining. And that is the fundamental values she always believed in, that if you are on a right direction, you will have immediate struggle, but after that there will be a silver lining, and to believe in that fundamental path and values. And I got that feeling that when I will become a parent, that is what I will drive to my kid, that go in the fundamental values, and that will lead to a success in the silver lining. Maybe the immediate circumstances will not be so great, but you'll have a silver lining. So that's what I wanted to share, Mr. Toastmaster.